Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Moridi, and in this video I'm planning to talk about conditions in Dart language. What exactly is condition? Conditions are used when you want to create and write a computer program. You need to be able to tell the computer what to do in a different situation. With the condition you can control the flow of the Dart program. For example, if you want to execute the code and only you want to execute a code when a condition was met. For example, if the user age is greater than 18, then you should allow it to use this feature. Or if you only it is a male, you can get set the you can allow the user to, for example, do some feature. Or if it's only woman, then it should be allowed. There are some cases that, for example, we must use the condition to control the Dart app flow. It has very wide uh, range of usage in the programming. So let's go ahead and check what exactly are conditions. We have actually four type of condition in the Dart language. The first one is if conditions. Let's go ahead and see what exactly is if. If I want to use if conditions, you first need to we need to write our code in the main functions. Let's do it. If I want to use if condition, first you write if, then the condition you want to meet. For example, if let me create a variable var age equal to 18, for example. And only if a conditions, for example, if age is greater or equal to 18, then you should allow this code which is in the scope of this uh, brackets works. And for example, I want to write you are allowed. Okay, so this is the first type of condition, and then you should use semicolon. So if I run this code, you will see that our code was executed. Our code that is between two brackets are executed in the console, as you see. But if I change this age to 15, then if I run the app, you will see that there is nothing executed in the console. There is nothing printed in the console. So the whole code was not executed at all. This is the first type of if condition. We also can add another flow control flow. For example, if user is greater or equal, then you should execute. But if it's not allowed, you should show something to the user so that user is understand that your app is working fine, but it's user fault it at not having enough permission, at not enough as not having met the condition you set to allow these features. And by it can be used if I use else keyword at the after it should be exactly after the if I write it outside of if, you see that it throws an error, so it must be used after brackets of if, so you need to be careful. And I want to, for example, if the user is less than age is less than 18, then you should write disqualified, for example, leafied. The this thing should be printed in the console, as you see. So we learned two conditions. First, if if condition, which is the first type and simple type, and then if else condition, which is used when the condition was not met, for example, and after that For example, if this condition is not met, there should be a default code executed. We could also do very a lot of a stuff. For example, like this: if the code is 18, then you should be not you are not called. And I want to add another concept. If age, for example, if age is, let's should parentheses, if age is equal to 17, then there should be another type of command to be printed. You are partially, for example, partially allowed. Okay. For example, you add some feature. Again, you should disqualify, should be shown. For example, if I add this, if I change this age to 17 around the code, you will see that we allowed some part of the permission to be allowed. So we can actually connecting if condition together. And for the last part, we can also use the else if none of the condition above met, then the else part of condition would be executed, which is really helpful sometimes. I think that's enough for if conditions. We'll talk about another type of condition later. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow us and liking this video or leaving a comment if you would encourage a problem. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.